Oh wow. Now that is a sexy boulder choke. It's beautifully dangerous, and it's actually the reason why this cave is notoriously dangerous to cavers. So Elise, what's a boulder choke? Good question. A boulder choke is just simply a collection of boulders, and there's a hole in there that you can go through. So you're going through all of these boulders. And that seems perfectly safe enough, but actually it is possible that it's not safe at all. And the reason is that any boulder at any point in time can slip and crush a caver. And yeah, that sounds really serious, but actually it's more probable that this is going to happen after we leave the cave, once we've disturbed it, or at any point in time when we're not in the cave. If it does happen to go whilst we're inside the cave, then that is a big problem, because it will be very difficult for us to be rescued, which is another reason why this cave is so notorious for being dangerous. We can't get rescued, or there's a low probability of us being rescued if this boulder choke goes after we pass through it. But that's not going to happen today, because I'm here. Yeah, let's go in it.